Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool LID DW1 part #W11259006. This part is a replacement lid for Whirlpool dishwashers. It fixes symptoms such as a broken or cracked lid, a lid that won't close properly, or a lid that won't stay closed. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws from the top of the dishwasher with a Phillips head screwdriver. 3. Lift off the top panel and set aside. 4. Locate the lid assembly on the left side of the dishwasher and remove any screws that are holding it in place. 5. Disconnect any wiring harnesses that are connected to the lid assembly and remove it from the dishwasher. 6. Place the new lid assembly into position and reconnect any wiring harnesses that were disconnected earlier. 7. Securely fasten the lid assey. Here is how you install this part. The Whirlpool LID DW1 part #W11259006 is a replacement lid for a Whirlpool dishwasher. This lid is designed to fit all models of Whirlpool dishwashers and is made from durable plastic. It features a snap-on design that makes it easy to install and remove. The lid also has an adjustable hinge that allows you to adjust the height of the lid for different sized dishes. This part comes with all necessary hardware and instructions for installation. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.